Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung apps not working on Samsung Smart TV. All right, let's begin. First, turn off your Samsung Smart TV using the remote. After that, unplug the TV from the power source and wait for at least 1 full minute. This helps clear temporary glitches. Next, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now, press the Home button on your remote and go to Settings. From there, open Apps and select the app that is not working. Choose Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This removes corrupted files that may cause the app to crash. If the problem continues, go back to Apps and select Update Apps to make sure everything is up to date. You should also check your internet connection by opening Network Settings and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Finally, restart the TV once again to apply all changes. So that's basically how you can fix Samsung apps not working on Samsung Smart TV. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.